Is Vizio SmartCast a smart TV? Vizio SmartCast refers to the smart platform used in many of Vizio's televisions. But it is not a type of TV itself. It is the operating system that powers certain Vizio smart TVs, making them smart. A smart TV is a television that connects to the internet and allows access to online content, apps, and services. Vizio SmartCast provides the smart functionality for Vizio's televisions, allowing them to stream content, run apps, and connect with other smart devices. 1. Vizio SmartCast as an operating system. SmartCast is the smart platform that Vizio uses in its televisions, providing an interface for users to access streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, Amazon Prime Video, and more. It is the software that makes a Vizio TV smart as it enables all of these connected features. SmartCast is responsible for providing the TV with internet access, allowing users to download apps, stream content, and control the TV via voice assistants like Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. Second, SmartCast functionality on Vizio smart TVs. Vizio SmartCast provides a full range of features typically found in smart TVs, such as the ability to stream content, browse apps, and cast content from mobile devices. Through SmartCast, users can easily navigate between apps and enjoy content on their TVs without needing additional streaming devices. It supports various streaming platforms, including all major services like Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, and others. 3. Voice control and integration. Many Vizio smart TVs with SmartCast also support voice control via Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa. This allows users to control the TV by voice, changing the channel, adjusting volume, or even searching for content, all without using the remote control. SmartCast TVs also integrate with other smart home devices, enabling users to control lights, thermostats, and more from the same platform. 4. SmartCast as a smart TV experience. Although SmartCast is the operating system and not the TV itself, it is an essential feature that turns Vizio's TVs into smart TVs. It provides all the necessary smart capabilities, such as app downloads, streaming, voice control, and device integration, making the TV fully capable of handling modern smart TV tasks. SmartCast delivers a seamless user experience that makes it easy to navigate, stream, and access online content directly from the TV. In conclusion, Vizio SmartCast is the operating system that powers Vizio's smart TVs, providing all the smart features you'd expect from a modern TV. While SmartCast itself is not a TV, it turns Vizio TVs into smart TVs by enabling internet access, streaming, and other smart functionalities, making it an integral part of the smart TV experience.